Hi, welcome everyone. You are now watching the Factory In-House Live Show of 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei. I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event as online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face in physical trade show, don't worry. I'm going to bring you to our exhibitors factory in Taiwan through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave all of them in the chat box in words. We will answer them in Q&A section. Now, let me bring you to King's Solution. King's Solution has been dedicated in injection molding machine for over 30 years. Now, let's welcome Claire to bring us to visit the factory for latest machine. Hello, Claire.
Hello everyone, welcome to a live show of Factory. This is Claire from King Solution Corporation. First of all, I would like to thank you for joining us. Nice to meet you and happy to introduce Kings for you. Now let's go. With King Solution Corporation, founded in 2016 by King's Machinery Engineering Corporation, which has rich experience in customized injection molding solution since 1983. Hey guys, do you know that? It's quite heavy, around 700 grams. Look thick. Would you try to guess? It's a baseball bat or a test tube for giant. Yeah, it's preform, which can be blown to 20-liter or 5-gallon water bottle. COVID-19 has increased the request of pure drinking water. Due to clean water's delivery cost is lower than filtering system. In developing countries like in Middle East, Asia Pacific, and Africa, speed up the market of 5-gallon water bottle globally. It's not made by steel, not made by glass, it's made by PET. PET is a safe and eco-friendly material choice and polycarbonate because there is no bisphenol A, BPA, fertilizer, DHP, and other harmful effect. Also, the material cost and delivery cost is lower than polycarbonate. It's more strong, less weight, 100% eco-friendly, support to circular economy. But how to make eco-friendly 5-gallon PET preform? Let me show you. It's our KPT 1600. It's customized injection molding machine for 5-gallon PET preform. But what's the advantage for this machine KPT 600? Let me show you. The machine structure is the upper screw and the bottom plunger. The motion is the upper screw will non-stop charging when the bottom plunger do injection and pressure holding. The motion use low pressure and low speed to do injection, so the shear rate will become lower. But what's the benefit for leads? This benefit is make the lower air level to avoid bad smell of products, and the smaller diameter of screw will smaller to save the cost. And most important is save the cycle time and the power consumption. The power consumption is 0.61 kWh for every preform, save over 15% for others. How amazing for this machine! Then we have KPT 3200 with A+A cavity mold and automatic robot. Has lower power consumption, save 70–60% than KPT 1600. We can not only provide machine, we provide solution, we provide auxiliaries for one good preform. There are material fitting systems like hopper dryer, autoloader, dehumidifier dryer, and the air conditioner, water chiller for more space. PET resin is so sensitive to humidity and temperature. We care them as babies. By the way, we cooperate with Far Eastern to develop special formula for 5-gallon PET preform. King's preform solution also equipped with takeout robot to save cycle time. Our capacity is 70,000 pieces per month. Preform made by all automatic until operator do QC and packing. The last important fact is mold. We make mold trial to send samples to let customers inspect the final result. Also, we share experience to customers as a turnkey solution. King's customized injection molding solution application in various fields like packing industry, 5-gallon PET preform solution, livelihood industry, vertical plastic injection molding machine with rotary table, liquid silicone rubber solution, medical industry, and automotive and electronic components, low pressure molding solution. We will introduce low pressure molding solution in next episode. Please don't forget, watch the live show next time. King's solution provide solution and export machine to over 33 countries all over the world, and we dedicate in Industry 4.0 and lean production. Our mission is green solution machine soulmate. COVID-19 has affected our life and still serious. We may not able to see you in a short time. My dear friends, hope all of you are doing well and please keep healthy. We are looking forward to meeting you soon. This is Claire. Nice to meet you. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Please feel free to leave in the chat box now. We have one question from Miss Annie. She would like to know how are the preforms cooled after the injection stage and what is the cooling time in seconds. Now let me welcome Miss Claire from she is the global sales from King's Solution. She will join us to answer your questions. Hello, Claire. Can you hear us?
Hello, everyone. This is Claire. Nice to meet you, and thanks for your watching.
Hi, good to see you, Claire.
I just saw the questions asked about how the preform cooled after the injection. So let me explain for you. We have the cooling system for preform mold in our turnkey solution. So the preform will be cooled by our cooling water around 10 to 80 degrees from the chiller. And by the way, the cycle time for preform is around injection is 10 to 15 seconds, and holding pressure is 60 to 65 seconds. Cooling is around 35 to 45 seconds.
What is the make of the robotic arm? Could you tell us, Claire?
We also make the preform arm by ourselves. Actually, the robot arm is by 3SS take out rubber from machine. It's with Japanese Mitsubishi brand with a thermal motor, and we have steel structure and with a suction, clip, hold function for the preform.
Anything, Claire, would like to share with us more from your side?
And actually, we know it's very pretty for us. We can see us in your exhibition. But we thanks for TaipeiPLAS, I think, and this all DigitalGo the exhibition activities. We thanks for this one because now COVID-19 ourselves is very important. I mean, healthy and safe is very important. So just bear a little bit. We'll see each other soon.
Yes, and there's one more question. To which country you have sent the turnkey solution to?
Yeah, we sent turnkey solution to Canada, Myanmar, Indonesia, and then it's Philippines and also Vietnam. And by the way, in the Philippines, Indonesia, and Vietnam, they are the all top three water brand in the locally, in the country. So actually, King's provide the turnkey solution for customers. They are very good and very strong. We hope if you are interested in water industry, you can join us. We can provide a very good solution for you.
Great. We really wish this pandemic can end very soon so all of the customers can come to Taiwan and also to visit the King's Solutions. If you have no further questions, yes, I would like to wrap up today's event. TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei online exhibition and DigitalGo is live during September 28 to October 28. Please stay tuned every Wednesday and Thursday for factory in-house live show. And please visit TaipeiPLAS.com.tw and ShoeTech.com.tw. And of course, if you're interested in King's Solution, please visit injection.com.tw for more services. Thank you so much, Claire, for joining us today. And thanks for all the audience for watching today. Please keep healthy and happy. And we would like to see you soon next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Ada. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.